In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix common database connection errors in WordPress. We'll cover a few essential steps that can help you resolve these issues and get your website back up and running smoothly. First, let's talk about the wp-config.php file. This file is crucial because it contains the credentials that your WordPress site uses to connect to the database. We'll want to check this file to ensure that the database name, username, password, and host are all correct. You'll need to access your WordPress files through an FTP client or your web host's file manager. Once you have access, open the wp-config.php file and carefully review the entries for db name, duser, db password, and db host. These values need to precisely match the information provided by your hosting provider. Ensuring accuracy is key here, as even a small typo can prevent your site from connecting to the database. Moving on, let's verify the permissions for your database users in HostGator's cPanel. Log into your HostGator account and navigate to the MySQL Databases section within cPanel. Here, you'll find a list of users and databases. Make sure that the database user listed in wp-config.php has the necessary privileges for the database. If you need to edit permissions, click on the Privileges link to make the necessary adjustments. Be sure the user has at least select, insert, update, and delete permissions to allow WordPress to function properly. Sometimes a simple server restart can do wonders, resolving connection issues that might be caused by temporary server glitches. If your hosting provider offers a restart option, go ahead and reboot your server to see if this rectifies the problem. If you're unsure how to restart your server, reach out to your hosting provider for specific guidance. If the issue persists, it might be time to repair your database. Fortunately, cPanel offers a useful tool called phpMyAdmin. Within phpMyAdmin, you can run a repair on the database tables. Alternatively, if you prefer using WordPress's built-in features, you can enable database repair mode by adding a line to your wp-config.php file. Simply add the line define wp allow repair true. After saving the file, visit your WordPress site and go to wp-admin/maint/repair.php to begin the repair process. Once completed,